Kano Code is a great way to explore how computers work. It's a step-by-step code system that lets your learners turn information into actions. It uses simple language to make coding accessible for all ages, and all the code you need comes in a handy toolbox. Simple code blocks can be dragged and dropped, snapped together, and made into code. This is one of the challenges in Kano Code. Here, step-by-step instructions guide you through the process of making your creation and stop you getting lost. So if we start off here, you can see that as we go, we're told where to find the right blocks, how to snap them together, and what they do. So I connect this code into my event block, and it now tells me the next step, which is going to be to change the color to something I choose. The tips also give you advice about what blocks can do. So when we grab a loop, it'll tell us how that loop works and what we can do with it. Here's the loop. And this one's going to run every 1 second. We can also change that with code to run every frame. As we code, we can also see the output in JavaScript as well as on the canvas. This helps learners migrate away from blocks and towards typed code as they get more advanced. And when you've finished your creation, you can share it to Kano World. Kano World is our online community where users can share, remix, and comment on each other's work, making new creations together and sharing them back to the rest of the community. Let's remix this share. So this creation's been made in MakeArt. Let's see how we can remix it before we share it back to Kano World. First of all, let's just try changing this number of how many times the loop runs. And maybe we'll make the circle bigger. So we can keep changing those parameters, maybe add our own new lines of code. When we're happy with the creation, hit save and share to Kano World. It's a great resource for teachers to see what their learners are making, and for their learners to share with the wider Kano World.